Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble a felt daisy, which might be the easiest felt flower project ever. So here we have my templates I cut with my Cricut machine. It's just two pieces and then a little centerpiece um, that it's just a little pom-pom that I had around. You can also create this out of felt if you feel like it. Okay, so I like to use hot glue, my hot glue gun with these felt projects because it's just so much faster and so much easier. So a little goes a long ways, and I just put a tiniest little dab of glue. The more glue you use, the longer it takes to dry. So, and you're also more likely to burn your fingers. So I just use a little bit of glue, and then I put it on the tab. It creates a little bit more of a three-dimensional effect. A little more glue. Make sure you offset the petals. Assemble the different layers. A little bit more glue. Put your pop on. And that's it.